Want to keep your Telegram messages private even when your phone lights up with a notification? Maybe you want to keep sensitive chats away from prying eyes on your Android lock screen. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide the content of incoming Telegram messages so only a generic alert appears, and you still know when you're getting something new. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Telegram app. You can tap the blue paper airplane icon and it'll open to your chat list. Now, to get to the settings that control notifications, look in the very top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is often called the hamburger menu. Give that a tap. If you're ever unsure, it's the same icon you use to open up your profile or any of the app's main options. Inside this menu, find the Settings option. It might be halfway down the list, depending on your app version, and tap to open it. Here, where you'll see options for almost everything Telegram can do. We're focusing on notifications, so scroll a little until you reach Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and tap that. Now this part is really important. You'll see a bunch of settings for notifications, sound, vibration, pop-up, and more. What we want to find is called Show Previews. This is the key setting that controls whether the actual contents of your message appear on the lock screen. Scroll down until you see it. Sometimes you have to go past the vibration and message pop-up sections to find it. Once you spot Show Previews, just toggle it off. You might see a little switch or checkbox, just make sure it's deactivated. What this is doing is telling Telegram, don't show snippets or sender names when a message comes in, just a simple alert. Now this does mean you'll see something vague like new message or Telegram, one new message on your lock screen, but that's the point. Visitors or anyone glancing at your lock screen won't be able to peek at who's messaging you or what was said. There's another layer here that's super useful. Telegram lets you adjust this setting not just generally, but for private chats, for groups, and for channels all separately. Maybe you want to keep private chats ultra secure, but don't mind seeing previews for certain group messages. Just tap into each notification settings menu. There'll be a section for each chat type, and toggle Show Previews off or on as needed. It's really flexible. You don't have to hide everything unless you want to. This can take a couple minutes the first time if you're setting up different options for different kinds of chats, so don't worry if you have to pause and think about who can see your phone and what you want to keep hidden. Remember, Telegram will still send notifications as usual. You just won't see the sender names or the message text on your lock screen. It's like getting a sealed envelope instead of a postcard. You know something arrived, but only you get to read what's inside. That's all there is to it. Your Telegram notifications will now keep your messages private on your Android lock screen while still letting you know when there's something new to check. If this tutorial helped you out, or if you have any questions about Telegram privacy, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching.